children, how are you? Today let us learn a new topic, preparation of salts. What is a salt? In chemistry, salt is a substance produced by the reaction of an acid with a base. A salt consists of the positive ion of a base and the negative ion of an acid. The salts are formed when the hydrogen in an acid is replaced by a metal or ammonia. Salts have two names. The first name comes from the metal and the last name comes from the acid. If you are using the hydrochloric acid, chloride salts are produced. If you are using sulfuric acid, sulfate salts are produced. When nitric acid is used, nitrates are formed. There are so many different types of salts are there. For example, calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate is a salt that is used to make blackboard chalk. Sodium chloride is also a salt. It is used to preserve food or as a table salt or to flavor the food. Then ammonium nitrate is used as a fertilizer to help crops grow well. When an alkali reacts with the hydrochloric acid, the salt produced is a chloride. When an alkali reacts with the sulfuric acid, the salt produced is a sulfate. When an alkali reacts with the nitric acid, the salt produced is a nitrate. Then which acid would be needed to make these salts? Can you say the answer? Copper nitrate. Which acid is used? Nitric acid. Magnesium chloride, hydrochloric acid. Sodium sulfate, sulfuric acid. In this slide we can see some example. When sodium hydroxide reacts with hydrochloric acid to make sodium chloride. Copper oxide reacts with hydrochloric acid to make copper chloride. Sodium hydroxide reacts with sulfuric acid to make sodium sulfate. Zinc oxide reacts with sulfuric acid to make zinc sulfate. In this slide we can see some example of reaction of acid and base to form salts. When an acid reacts with a metal carbonate, a salt, a carbon dioxide and water are formed. Carbonate react with acid to form salt, carbon dioxide and water. See the examples. Calcium carbonate combined with the hydrochloric acid to form calcium chloride plus carbon dioxide plus water. Sodium carbonate combined with the sulfuric acid to form sodium sulfate, carbon dioxide and water. Copper carbonate combined with nitric acid, copper nitrate, carbon dioxide and water. Here more examples are there. Now we are going to learn how to prepare a salt from a metal and an acid. Here I am showing to you the preparation of zinc chloride. The granulated zinc is added to the hydrochloric acid in a flask. Bubbles of gas rise from the metal. Which gas? Hydrogen gas. It is passed through the liquid and escape into the air. The bubbles are no longer produced and some metal remains in the flask. The content of the flask are poured into a filter paper in a filter funnel. See the picture. The zinc metal remains behind and the liquid passes through and falls into the beaker. The liquid is poured into an evaporating dish and heated gently until some solid appears. The mixture is then left to cool and more evaporation takes place. After this, the mixture is filtered again. That time we got the zinc chloride. When zinc metal is placed in a solution of hydrochloric acid, hydrogen gas and a zinc chloride solution are formed. Zinc plus hydrochloric acid to form hydrogen gas plus zinc chloride. See the equation. Here another experiment for the preparation of calcium chloride from a metal carbonate and an acid. The carbonate used in this reaction is calcium carbonate in the form of marble chips. some marble chips are added to hydrochloric acid in a flask. The bubbles are produced. Which type of gas is produced? Carbon dioxide. The bubbles are produced and the chips dissolve. Some more chips are added and more bubbles are produced, and then the reaction stops and some of the chips are left in the solution. The content of the flask are poured into a filter paper in a filter funnel, and the solution and the chips are separated. The liquid is poured into an evaporating dish and heated until some solid appears. The mixture is then left to cool and more evaporation takes place. When the mixture has been left to cool, it is filtered again. Here one question: why did all the chips added at first dissolve? Because there was an excess of acid to take part in the reaction with the calcium carbonate. Okay, why were the content of the flask filtered? To remove the solid from the liquid. Here we can see when an acid reacts with a metal carbonate, a salt, carbon dioxide and water are formed. Here hydrochloric acid reacts with the calcium carbonate to form calcium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. What is the equation? When calcium carbonate combine with hydrochloric acid to form calcium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. Children, I hope you understood the topic. Okay, thank you.